Hello, good afternoon, friends. Today we will be going further in chapter number 8, Introduction to Trigonometry, in class 10th. In last lecture, we had done till example number 4, that is on page number 180. Okay, we are doing the series of examples which we are doing for application of basic trigonometric functions. So let's see what example 5 says. It says in triangle OPQ, which is a right angle triangle, right angled at P, so it is a right angle here, okay. OP equal to 7 centimeter. OP is 7 centimeter and OQ minus PQ is 1 centimeter. There is nothing but OQ minus PQ. This is 1 centimeter. Okay. Determine the values of sin Q and cos Q. Okay. So what we had studied in last lectures is that what is sin theta? Equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Okay. And what was cos theta? Is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. Okay. So this is what we have studied in last lecture. So we'll be applying it here. So how do we do it? When the triangle is right angle triangle, we can always apply Pythagoras theorem. That is, OQ square will be equal to OP square plus PQ square. What is OQ square? As given here, it is OQ minus PQ equal to 1. What will be OQ? 1 plus PQ square. Okay. So this is given here. Okay, 1 plus PQ square plus PQ. What is formula of A plus B whole square? This is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay. So this is what is written. This one is equal to OP square plus PQ square. Right hand side remains same. Right hand side is here. It remains same. So now when we sum it up, PQ square get cancelled. What will remain is 1 plus 2PQ equal to, what is the length of OP given here? Is 7 centimeters. So we have done it as a 7 centimeter. Okay. So here 1 plus 2PQ equal to 7 square. That is nothing but 2PQ will be equal to 7 square is 49 minus 1. It will be 48. 2PQ. So what will be PQ? Is nothing but 48 by 2 is nothing but 24, which is written here. Okay. So we have got PQ. Now you put the value in this equation. So OQ will be equal to 1 plus PQ equal to 25 centimeters. Is nothing but PQ is, this is 25 centimeters. What was sin theta? Equal to opposite side. Which is opposite side of the theta? We want the measurement in terms of Q. We are asked the question in terms of Q. So what is sin Q equal to? Which is opposite side of Q? It is OP. OP upon, what is hypotenuse? OQ equal to, what is OP? It is 7. And what is OQ? That is, what is OQ? What we found is 25. So answer is 27 upon 25. Same way we can find out cos theta equal to adjacent side of Q. Adjacent side is upon hypotenuse. What is adjacent side of Q? It is PQ upon, what is hypotenuse? OQ. What is the value of PQ? It's 24 upon. What is the value of OQ? It is 25. This is what is written. Okay. So understood, students? This is how we apply the basic theory of trigonometric functions in any right angle triangle. Please remember, it is applicable only for right angle triangle. If something is not, if some kind of triangle is not right angle triangle, then we have to convert it into right angle triangle. For example, this is not a right angle triangle, so I cannot apply Pythagoras as well as trigonometric functions. So what do? I put a line here and here. So this triangle has become right angle triangle, and this triangle has become right angle triangle. So this is how we go about this kind of questions. Thank you so much, friends. In next class, we'll be studying further example 6 onwards and the further theory of NCERT class 10 chapter number 8, trigonometric functions. Till then, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you.